Hey guys, what's happening? How to use eBay local pickup. So what does that mean? If you sell on eBay, right, there's a couple different ways of shipping. You can ship regular UPS, you can ship the post office, you can join FedEx, you can ship all different ways, but there is really cool new way and it's been out there for a little bit, but now it's really refined. It's called local pickup. So what does that mean to you? So basically you can add that as an option to one of your listings, and you can say I will locally meet you somewhere and you can actually pick it up. So you have no shipping whatsoever, no aggravation, no damaged product, no nothing. You deliver it and you get paid, and we're going to show you step by step how that works and how easy it is to get paid. Really simple. So here's an item, let's say for example, right, online, and you can see here you have an option that they offer free local pickup, right? Maybe not that product exactly, but an example, just like a demonstration, right? Or you can have it shipped. So if you are local, why should you spend $90 in shipping if you have it picked up for free? And that's really cool. So when you go or when you buy item, it will come up as a local pickup, and you click the option that customer now has in the queue for local pickup. So what now? What's the next step after that? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So like in the screenshot, you're gonna see right here, scan to confirm pickup, leave feedback, contact buyer, relist item, and all that stuff, right? So after everything is confirmed on your app, it will say right here, scan to confirm pickup. All right. So what does that mean? Is once you open your app, you're going to look at your item, right, and look under sold, and you're going to see this option, scan to confirm pickup. Okay, so leave feedback. This is going, after you sold your item, you're gonna tell the customer to leave positive feedback, right? And once we hit scan to confirm pickup, the customer will have the QR code, right? So all you have to do is just take your phone and scan their QR code on their phone, right? You have the scanner and they have the QR code, and once you do that, it will come up as confirmed pickup, like in the screenshot right here, an example product that's been confirmed. And now you could just tell the customer that to leave a feedback, right? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.